So there used to be the bathroom. This is the new bathroom exhaust fan that was replaced by an old one that had a really ugly sound, and it literally sounded like a burping ogre. And then they replaced it with this new, I believe it's a Broan. Oh yeah, it is a Broan. And I'm gonna turn it on. And it's a lot quieter than the other one. Yeah. So when I went in here, I thought that they had the other fan still, and I was originally gonna film that one. But they have a new fan and it's a lot quieter. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.